Well, we told them we had to have this couple pieces of 1-inch plate, so gotta have that one. Get the fuck away from it, man. Shit weighs a ton. Well, it doesn't literally, but it weighs a lot. We're gonna have almost a ton of steel when we're done here. Set that there. Alright. Then there's a piece, another piece of 1. Trying to zoom in on that for you. So that's a chunk of 2-inch steel plate. Yeah, for real. Not that I'm impressed the machine can pick it up, but it's just that we're... Yeah, there's our other piece of 1. There it is. Sorry, I'm watching it, not staying zoomed. Yeah, kadunk. Mic set for concert recording. I don't know why, because I heard the one, but there it is. Give me that one, baby. Give me that. Give me that 3-incher. Daddy wants the 3-inch. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. Yeah. Dig it out. There he is. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Now this isn't for me. This is just because I'm going to get my parts cut. And the guy doing the plasma cutting said, give me a piece of 3. Yeah. Alright, we'll put that in the 3/4 ton pickup and see what we get. Cool. Alright, we'll see you.